Spanish lady, she had her trading post on the ranch.
So,
Yeah.
Oh.
And for some reason or another, she got forced off. So she just came over the mountains and settled here.
Gotcha.
How on earth would they get supplies in here?
I was thinking.
Well,
Freight line.
this was the line. This was
This was the freight line.
This was the freight
But the
line
freight
going
line
to
would
Nogales.
Well, he said this was the old trading post, and this road was the freight line road. Freight line meaning horse and wagons, freight like you see on Gunsmoke and everything. But this goes back somewhere in the 1800s here, and look at this adobe and mud and whatever, and that's just rocks and dirt and mud and stuff here. But it's been here all this time here, the old trading post. Hope it doesn't cave in while I'm here. Go inside here. Yeah, look at this, all the dirt filled in here. It was much lower then, I'm sure, but survived all the wind and everything here. Now we got trees growing in here. Yeah, it's the old trading post. Not as windy now that we're not in the vehicle being bounced around here. So yeah, there it is. There's the old trading post. Alright, I'm going to back out a little bit here. Going to walk backwards. Alright. There it is. There's an old cactus there. A lot of cactus. Not a lot, but a good number of cactus around here.
Well,
Yeah.
it's hard to say, but this is definitely
More in the ruins here.
that the ranchers put in on our way back out.
Yeah.
They dammed this wash up in a gorge.
Again, I forgot my little sponge covering to knock out that wind noise. Hey, it's cold here, it's windy, it's cloudy, and the wind chill was pretty high in the UTVs as we were coming over. There's a little opening here. Go look through the window here, see what there is to see here. Hello world. Alright, the old cactus. Coming back. The old ruins here. Gotta watch my step. Stuff doesn't fall on me here. Very windy, you're going to hear that wind noise here, that's for sure. Look at this cactus here, or some kind of cactus, I forget the name of this, but it has kind of a purplish color to it, purplish and green. And here we got the Mr. Cactus. Look at this guy here. There he is. Yeah. Alright, go look at some more buildings here. Walk around. Go look at that one across the way there. Alright. And this trail right here was the old trail, because you got, a trading post over there, those few ruins on both sides. So this was like a main thoroughfare for all the freight wagons and stuff that were going through here. And here's the other side of the road going down there. Oh, there's more buildings down there too. So we'll see. Now this one's sitting up a little high from the road, like you'd have a good view of what's happening down there. We gotta watch my step here. As always, picking them up, putting them down. Picking them up, putting them down. For am one-man travel. Wow. Got a cactus right here growing out. All kinds of stuff. Well, that looks like that's ready to fall right there. I'm not going in there, I don't think. I think I'll stay outside here. Doesn't look too safe in there. Some of these are getting ready to fall. Alright, I better stick with the group here. These are the petroglyphs here. They're all on the wall there.
The wall on some of it, you know, with fire and smoke to highlight them, I guess, or whatever.
Yeah, quite a few.
There's got to be at least one symbol here that dates back to at least sometime in the 1500s. And I had a guest pointed out to me, and I go, man, I've been coming out here for 3.5 months and I never seen it. Does anybody see a horse on here? Anywhere on this rock?
Give me a minute.
See a horse?
Here's a little close-up of some of them.
Yeah, you know,
You can see, it's easier to see from the background though, and they go up here. But I just want you to get a close look till we get some other ones here and down here too. But we'll back up so you can see them a little bit better then. So they're right here in back of me here. We're going back to the UTVs now, and you can see the ruins back in here. These buildings. This was the trail here. This was the main thoroughfare here. All the wagons carrying freight and supplies go back and forth on this. That's why they had a trading post up here and a few of these other buildings, purpose of which I'm not real sure, but maybe for the people to live that ran the trading post. Didn't seem like it was very big, but you got your cactus here and whatnot. And this piece of equipment is not part of the ruins. I just parked there. So yeah, still going up here. Still got the cactus here. We're at a different elevation here. That's why there's cactus down where we are down at the ranch. I don't know if that's lower or higher, but we don't have really much in the way of cactus down there. Some prickly pears you might see, but not these big boys. So trail, we're walking up here, and there's that one up on a hill up here. It's a little bit higher up there that we passed earlier. And up here is the trading post that we're going to come to. These are our trusty UTVs, utility vehicle, I guess, wide open so you get all of the wind. And those ruins over there, like I said, that's the trading post here. Might have been a more substantial building, maybe even had 2 floors, like sleeping up above or something. We don't know. All right, say hello to our UTVs.